you guys like s'mores? Leave it in the comments below. Ingredients we need to make s'mores are graham crackers,
Chocolate, my favorite.
and marshmallows.
That's my favorite too. But,
Yep, my favorite too.
but which one do you like the best? Do you like the graham crackers, the marshmallows, or the chocolate?
Leave it in the comment section below. Now we are going to show you how to make your own s'mores. First step, take a graham cracker and put it on your plate. 2 graham crackers. And then you take a chocolate and put it on one of your graham crackers. Third step, take a marshmallow, then put it on your chocolate. Fourth step, put it inside your microwave for 10 seconds. Now that we're done microwaving the chocolate, graham crackers, and marshmallows, now we are going to take our other cracker and put it on. So first you
Do this.
set on,
Wow,
and
that's
then
awesome.
push it down gently, because you don't want the cracker to break.
Yeah, now this is what it looks like. Does it look like a real s'more? Does it look so yummy? Does it look like you guys want to eat it?
Mm-hmm.
You guys try it. Does it taste
This
good?
is what
Does
a
it taste
real
good?
s'more looks
It
like.
does.
Are you guys
Does it
ready?
taste good?
1, 2, 3, go.
Mmm.
Yummy.
If you guys will make this, it will be yummy.
Do you guys like s'mores? Leave it in the comments below.
Mwah. Have to make this
You guys have to make it.
because it tastes so good.
Make it for yourselves and you'll see. It's gonna be super duper yummy.
Ask your parents if you can make it.
Ask your parents for help to put it in the microwave too. Now we are going to have a s'more tower challenge. It's to see who can make the tallest tower. But if it falls, it's okay. You can just keep trying and trying and trying until you succeed. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! So I'm not going that strategy.
Maybe. And then this.
Oh my gosh!
scared.
Oh
This
gosh!
is not gonna
I'm
die.
so scared.
I'm so scared too.
Oh, it's working. Last thing.
I'm super.
I don't have to be scared. I'm ready.
No.
Oh gosh, I feel like this is gonna fall.
This is.
Is it gonna fall? Is it gonna fall?
Mine's just going to fall.
I'm just gonna fall.
I can't even do it. No.
So guys, look at our tower. Look at it. If you guys liked our s'mores tower challenge, give us a big thumbs up. I really love this challenge, but this tower is falling. I have to get to work now. Bye.
Thank you for watching our videos. Please subscribe. Follow us on Instagram and give us a big thumbs up.